Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about following the right people. Let's get started. Growing your Twitter account is one of the goals of businesses on Twitter. This way, more people can view their tweets. Promoting their products or services will get more reach as more and more people follow them on Twitter. Their tweets can be retweeted, liked, spark conversations from their followers, and make their created hashtags rank high on trending tweets. One way of growing your Twitter followers, especially if you're just starting out on Twitter, is by searching for Twitter accounts that can be your inspiration in your industry. These Twitter users can be leaders in an industry that have tons of followers since they have built their brand for a very long time. You may notice this example Twitter user started using Twitter way back year 2007. It has been more than 10 years that he is growing his brand and also his followers. Speakers of seminars are mostly great at talking about topics that they are an expert of. As you browse through his feed, you may notice that he also does podcasts. This is common nowadays, as people can talk about topics that they know and people who are interested in that topic will be eager to listen to them. As more and more podcasts this Twitter user makes, more people are going to follow him, and podcasts can be a way of talking about certain topics and promoting products that are related to that topic. Use Twitter's search box to input keywords or hashtags to get results for tweets that include these keywords. As you can see, the top results will show us people who have names and brands related to our keyword search. You may check out each Twitter user here and browse through their profile and feed. By going through their feed, you may decide if these people or brand is one of the right people that you can follow on Twitter. You can see how many followers they have. This Twitter user has over 5,000 followers. You can see that their latest tweet shows their product right away. They also show educational content about one of the ways to prepare their products. You can also see tweets from their customers who also offer to sell their products. We can follow this user since their brand is reputable among people interested in this industry. You can also look for people who use the same hashtags that are related to your business. Browsing through the search results, you may see tweets from Twitter users who include several hashtags on their tweets. In this example tweet, you can say that their video catches one's attention. As we check their profile, you can see that they do have over 4,000 followers on their Twitter account. They also do have a website here. You can see that they do have an e-commerce site and tons of products that coffee lovers can check out and purchase products from. Going back to their profile, you may notice tweets where they feature their products and they have a call to action link on their tweets. When people see this product and want to purchase this, they can check out on their website using this link here. Their products are also offered in stores like in this tweet. This Twitter user deserves to be followed on Twitter. Check the Twitter users list. When you check their profile, click these three dots and you will see more options from this drop-down menu. Click View Lists. You're now seeing the list of this Twitter user. If you check their Member tab, you can view how many people have added this Twitter user into their lists. That's one good sign of Twitter users to follow that will benefit your brand or your business. You can even view the list made by people and check the Twitter users that they added on their list. You can see on this list, this user created this list with only 3 Twitter users as members. You may discover more users here that also follow this Twitter user and post tweets that this person is also retweeting. By checking the Twitter lists here, you can discover Twitter users that are also in the same industry as your business. By knowing how to find the right people on Twitter, you can increase your chances of getting more Twitter followers and potential customers who can be followers of the leaders that you are following or the brand with the same industry as your business. Now that you know about finding the right people, we can now proceed to the next topic, finding topics to follow. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about finding topics to follow. Let's get started. Twitter's platform allows you to explore a wide variety of topics that you can check out and learn something from. As soon as a user starts following topics on Twitter, topics that are related to it will start showing up in their Twitter feed, and Twitter will suggest more people that you can follow who also have similar interests to the topics that you are following. let's check out our Twitter topics. Log into your Twitter account. From the left menus, click on More. From this drop-down menu, click on Topics. If this is your first time to access the Topics section of your Twitter account, then this is your welcome page for new topics to follow. You can stay up to date with the top tweets about topics you follow and see relevant tweets, people, Twitter ads, and also share your interests so that people can see the topics that you follow on your profile. To start following some topics, click on the Follow Some Topics button. Now you'll see a pop-up window showing you a category of topics here. If you click on the plus icon per category, you'll be able to check out more topics under it. Under Entertainment, you can see more topics like celebrities, digital creators and channels, movies, podcasts, popular franchises, television, and the Oscars, which is a topic that we're not following yet. If we click on another subcategory, we can view more topics here that we can follow. For example, under Movies, we can follow independent films. Now scroll down and check out more subtopics. If you're into hobbies, you can view more topics here. You can find topics here that are related to your business. If you're selling products that are related to a topic that you can find here, like arts and crafts, then you can follow that topic. Once you follow the topics that you like, click Done. Some of the topics that you chose from the list of topics are shown here. Let's check people that Twitter is suggesting for us to follow. Scroll down until you see the section of people you might be interested in. If you follow people on Twitter, it will suggest people that you can also follow that a Twitter user you are following also follows. You can see it's indicated here that this user follows this person. As you start following more topics and people on Twitter, you may notice retweeted posts on Twitter by the people you are following. Let's try to search for the topic that we have chosen from the topics list. As you can see here, it shows us this topic that we have chosen earlier. If this is a topic that is related to your business as you're offering drum lessons, selling drum accessories, drum merchandise, or any product related to drums that you are selling, then you can find tweets related to your industry. You can stay informed about the latest news, and you can view public threads that people discuss regarding this topic. This can help you as a business owner to craft content for your marketing promotions that can answer to your target audience's pain points. As they discover your content, they will know that your products can help them with their problems, or it could create brand awareness. You can also find people who are leaders in your industry that you can follow to get more insights into your field. You can check out their profile and see what content they are posting, and you'll get ideas from these posts. Doing this will help optimize your content and attract potential clients to your business. As you check out one's account, you'll be seeing more people that you can follow that are also similar to the interest of this user. This allows you to find more relevant users whose Twitter accounts can inspire you on what type of content works for them, and you can pattern that to your content. In this example, they have a video demo of this product. Doing this will let drummers know how this product can sound, and if they like it, they can purchase it from their website, as they provided a call to action link here. You can view topics about any category that you can think of. Most of the Twitter users make use of Twitter to learn more about the news, about what's happening worldwide and also in their country. Most news networking stations can be found on Twitter. They get more followers who actively view their tweets with videos, articles that they're trying to get to the public. If you don't have access to a television, you can still get updated with the current news in your country, as news stations make use of Twitter to update current news in your country to update people. You can even view a live stream of their news coverage, but you may notice here that it is linked to another website. If they're not using Twitter for their live stream, Twitter will allow people to view and watch the news live without leaving the Twitter app. Finding topics on Twitter and following them will allow you to view tweets that are related to the topics that you are currently following. Twitter will make sure to show you the most relevant topics that you might be interested in and discover more topics that you can also follow. Finding topics related to your business will also help you in reaching more audiences on Twitter who are not familiar with your brand yet. With Twitter's help, People who are interested and are also following topics related to your business will make your tweets and Twitter account be visible to these Twitter users. Now that you know about finding topics to follow, we can now proceed to the next topic, finding trends using Explore. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about finding trends using Explore. Let's get started. Trending content on Twitter is the section where you can find the popular tweets, hashtags that are getting a greater number of tweets daily. Twitter will show you the top 20 trends that you can explore. If you track your top 20 trends, you may notice that some of the topics here will be replaced by other trending topics as the day passes. This is due to Twitter's algorithm of showing you topics that more and more people use per day, causing a sharp spike on the number of people who tweet such topics. In this example trends list, you can see the category where each topic, hashtag, or keywords belong to, such as music and radio, K-pop, radio stations, celebrities, and mostly trending in your location or country. Below each trending topic, you can also see in this section the number of tweets that people on Twitter posted with that hashtag or keyword. If you try to click on a topic under the trends list, you will view the tweets as if you are searching for this keyword on Twitter's search box. If you check out the tweets of people and you have no idea of what their topic is all about, you can be curious about how this trending topic affects people upon reading their tweets. In this topic, you can learn that many people like the music of the trending topic as the lyrics touch their hearts. This is a song they can relate to and they get emotional with. And with this topic, you can check the Twitter account of the artist who made such a beautiful song and made it to the top charts. As you can see, the drop-down suggested keyword searches here, showing that our keyword is trending. As we check out this artist's Twitter account, you can see here that they do have 11.3 million followers. That is a huge audience that marketers can target if they can craft their tweets that these followers can relate to. You can see here that they do have merchandises that they sell, and their followers, who are mostly their fans, will definitely purchase their products as they posted tweets with photos of their products and include the call to action link where people can buy these items. As people click on the link, their followers can browse their products and purchase from their websites. By checking this account, they mentioned that this song is currently top 1 trending on different countries in the list. As a marketer, you can use this as an opportunity to target audiences on these locations where most of the people tweet about the song. You can think about ideas of how you can relate the message of the song or the title of the song to what is happening in the world right now and relate it to your business. Trends on Twitter depend on each person. It matches and depends on their location, who they follow, and what their interests are. You can check out their different trends per location if you need to gather data for your business. To change the location of your trends, go to the Explore menu. Beside the search text box, click on the settings icon. You will see a pop-up window showing you trends for you. You may notice that this trends for you feature is enabled, which means that Twitter personalizes trends based on your location and the people you follow on Twitter. To change the location, uncheck this checkbox. The change location will be activated here. By default, it will show you worldwide. If you choose worldwide, you will notice that your trends list has changed to the most popular tweets, not only in your location, but worldwide. But if you choose this, it will show you different languages from other countries aside from the English language that you might not be familiar with. So let's try to change our location to a specific country. Click the settings icon, uncheck the trends for you, then click change location and choose from this list, or you can type in the country that you want to check the trends from. Now your trends list will be the top 20 trends in this country that you have chosen. Using the Explore menu to find trends on Twitter will help your business in determining the keywords that you can use to include in your tweets based on the trending posts on Twitter. You can check the trending topics, keywords, or hashtags on your location or in different countries as well. Doing this will give more exposure to your tweets as you promote your blog, products, or services of your brand or your business.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.